Alright, so this is room 17222. It's an inside spa cabin. We've got our bed made into a nice big king-size bed. It's got USBs on either side of the bed, along with some light switches there. Little table, little end tables right there. So here on the desk, it's got 3 power outlets and 4 USB outlets, which is certainly nice. And light switch. Got 3 drawers here. Hair dryer. Big deep drawer. Got the spa robes, the Cloud 9 robes, and some slippers, and got ability to hang from both sides. And fortunately, unlike the panorama room that we were in, this has got another set of hanging closets, so it's kind of got his and hers, along with your safe. Sorry about the light. And your standard head, aka bathroom. Oh, and here on the Jubilee, it does appear that you don't have the stick to your butt shower curtain. You've got a nice sliding glass door. Some shelves. Although it's only shelves on one side, huh, Ange? So, alright. So that's just a quick overview of room 17222 here on the wonderful Jubilee. Got a fridge underneath the little table and TV.